Why wasn't that very good? What made my prompt weak? What would have improved it? Welcome back to AI Academy. So, in the next couple of minutes, I'll arm you with the tips and best practices you need to get the most out of AI by mastering the art of the prompt. When talking to an AI assistant like Microsoft Copilot, you can't treat it the same as you would a traditional search engine. Ask yourself, are you trying to learn something, create something, summarize something, find something, explore something, or catch up on something? In other words, what is your goal? Be clear with your intentions. State what you'd like to achieve by the end of your interaction with Copilot. Here's what I mean. If my goal is to take these bullet points and turn them into a well-written paragraph for an email, I might be tempted to just prompt Copilot with, turn these bullets into a paragraph. Not bad, but let me take my own advice and tell Copilot what my goal is and give it some specifics. I need to transform the bullet list below into an impressive email to send to my team at work. I kind of want it to have the same tone as this paragraph. Here's the list. Can you help? Wow, look at the difference. Whenever I see someone having a difficult time with their prompting, it can almost always be solved by explaining goals, adding context, recommending which sources to use, and offering some examples of your expectations. Defining your desired output is essential for prompting. And hey, if you don't know what the output should be, ask Copilot what it thinks. So what are you looking for? Sentences, bullet points, tables, images? AI is capable of a variety of output styles. Let's say you want text. So imagine the style, the format, the structure, language, and other variables that would be best, and tell Copilot about what you want. And what's really exciting is that the art of prompting is taken to another level with image generation. Be descriptive. Color, style, composition, mood. Tell AI how you intend to use the image and let it try and match the image to your use case. Use references, visual style, errors, popular artists, and then it's time to refine, refine, refine. Great artists rarely stop at the first draft. Continue refining your prompt until you get exactly what you need. Things don't always go right, but here's my advice. If you don't have anything nice to say, don't say anything at all. Seriously, when things go wrong or unexpected, constructive criticism is key instead of just pointing out what went wrong. Suggest some alternative responses, perspectives, or goals to get your conversation back on track. Clearly identify where the response fell short and use examples to illustrate your point. And don't forget, it's totally okay to start over. Sometimes an AI interaction can feel like you're repeating yourself and getting nowhere. Start fresh, start over, copy your original prompt and rewrite it in a new conversation, and remove things that were misunderstood. Add some clarity and specificity, and try again. So once you've mastered clarity and context, there's a next level tip to try. Giving Copilot a character to embody. What would Einstein have to say about your calculus question? How would a Star Trek captain lead a cooking lesson? If you were SpongeBob SquarePants, what would a pitch for a new product launch sound like? Tell AI who or what you'd like it to be before responding. Ask yourself, is there an existing subject matter expert for your task? Ask a version of that person. Authors, actors, historical figures, fictional beings, companies, brands, influencers, CEOs, even politicians. Any entity with a vast amount of public information available about them. Here's a few example prompts. In the style of Shakespeare, you are an esteemed author. Answer my next question as if you are a university lecturer. How would Santa explain this? Okay, we've covered quite a bit. Time to recap. Goals, context, specificity, and expectations. To fully master the art of the prompt, be an explorer. Don't be a taskmaster. Take a moment to reflect on how you can apply these AI prompting techniques in your daily task. Try it right now and see what a difference you can make. Next up for the AI Academy, it's time to dive into what makes Microsoft Copilot so special and how having an assistant built into Windows 11 can make a world of difference. Talk to you then.